Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing well. My presentation will be covering waste, energy, and resources. After doing a Google search on the topic, I came across an article from the Department of Energy announcing some great news. The government is planning on moving forward and investing $34 million into advanced waste and algae, bioenergy, technology, and research. The article shared how 11 programs are being funded to support high-impact research and development to improve and produce biofuel, biopower, and bioproducts. These biomass resources are being produced by using solid waste and algae and converting them into low-carbon fuels. This will greatly contribute to decarbonization of transportation vehicles, aviation, and marine. This will aid in reaching the Biden and Harris administration goal of reaching net zero emissions by 2050. The advancements of biomass technology are using everyday waste like food waste, yard trimmings, metal, glass, wood waste, non-recyclable paper, plastics, construction and demolition waste, and sludge from wastewater treatments and converting them into biofuel. This will reduce the huge volume of garbage from landfills. Imagine just how much land we'll gain from this. This will also be a solution for reducing fossil fuels also. This will also create new jobs in every transportation industry and will be made here in the US by American workers. According to the article, transportation accounts for approximately 30% of the total US energy consumption and directly creates the largest share of greenhouse gases. Other projects will improve algae farming practices. 6 projects are looking into different strains of algae to improve and increase farming production. This is great news. Everyone gains so much from this. Everyone's a winner. We are using waste and converting it to sources of clean energy. We're reducing the carbon. We're using up more waste, and we're gaining more land from the landfills and improving the farming techniques. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. You guys stay safe. Bye.